In this video, I'll cover how to auto-generate the blueprints of a deck. So once you've got your deck built and we have our joist and beams done, you can open up the reports tab and you'll see a materials list, a cut list, and the blueprints tab. If you open up the complete deck PDF, it'll open up our elevation plan. We have our joist layout. You can open up the options if you don't want to show the cut list, if you want to have a clean deck layout. And you can see the beams layout, the post layout, and the two elevation plans. You can also change which view, so if you have the back elevation or you want to see a front elevation. There's also a scale option, so if you're in too close, you can zoom out to get a just to get a full view of that deck. Once you're complete, you can hit the print PDF or download options.